Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gluta Hya Vaseline. First, ensure your skin is clean and completely dry. This allows for optimal absorption of the product. Dispense a small, pea-sized amount onto your fingertips. Remember, a little goes a long way with this concentrated formula. Prepare to gently massage it into your skin for maximum benefit. Once you have the product on your fingertips, begin to gently massage it into your desired skin areas. Use soft, upward, and circular motions to ensure even distribution. This technique helps the Gluta Hya formula penetrate effectively. Pay special attention to any spots that might need extra care or brightening. Continue massaging until the product is fully absorbed and your skin feels smooth. For the best results, make Gluta Hya Vaseline a regular part of your daily skincare routine. Apply it twice a day, once in the morning and again before bed. Consistent application helps to improve your skin's overall radiance and maintain deep hydration. During the day, always follow up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin from sun exposure and maximize the benefits. To truly maximize the benefits of Gluta Hya Vaseline, consider incorporating gentle exfoliation into your routine 1 to 2 times a week. This helps remove dead skin cells, allowing for better product absorption. Also, remember to stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Proper hydration from within supports healthy, glowing skin. Store your product in a cool, dry place for optimal efficacy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.